Hey guys, I'm Kathryn. Here's an everyday Opal Iridescence makeup look you can rock in minutes. I'm going to use Farsali Unicorn Essence to hydrate and prime my skin. Shimmery. Okay, I've got my foundation on. Let's dust this shade from the Kat Von D Alchemist Holographic palette all over the eyelid for an iridescent sheen. Then, swipe on this purple Fenty Beauty highlighter on your cheekbones and nose bridge. Blend, blend, blend. Wow, look at that glow. Amp up the shine on your cheekbones by swiping on this shade of the Alchemist palette. A little goes a long way. So sparkly. Next, mix clear gloss from Sephora collection and Cover FX glitter drops to make a shimmery, holographic lip gloss. Apply all over your lips for a plump, prismatic pout. Glowy. And that's it.